Welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, we will discuss the best jar mockup for mustard, or you can use it for anything you want. So please watch this video till the end. After knowing its full features, you can then decide whether to choose this mockup design for your brand or not. You can download the PSD file and edit it. The download link is given in the description. Here are some of its features you should know. 9 full layered jar PSD files, 1 full layered scene PSD file, 4600 x 3500 px, 300 dpi, separate shadow and reflection layers, plastic and metal lid, changeable lid color, smart objects. Double-click the smart object, paste your artwork and save. PDF help file. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more videos like this.